Hi, my name is Tatheer Zaidi. I am now a second year medical student at Ion Institute of Medical Sciences. I joined the Young Doctors Camp. Experienced and qualified doctors actually took us under their wings. I think we got to see a lot of departments in the hospital, how different departments work. I think my favorite part of attending the camp would be the operation theatre. That was something that I did not experience before, and I think most of the things were something that I've never seen before. And the operation theatre had to top the list. And I remember wearing those scrubs for the first time. I felt like I was a surgeon myself. It was a very good experience. The camp is designed in such an amazing way. You're made very comfortable over there. I think that was the main reasons why I chose medicine as my career, because I really got to see what was inside the hospital, what actually was inside the hospital. And there were a lot of myths that we usually have, regarding the hospital and everything. They were clarified. I got an insight. Everything was beautiful about that. And it was a great experience learning from the doctors. I cannot even thank those doctors enough. And those doctors were very cordial and very, they were ready to give their information out to us. And I think I couldn't thank Yashoda Hospitals enough for this experience that I had in my life. It was a one-time experience, and I am never going to forget this in my life. Thank you.